Are you recording?
This is the last night in Rome.
So sad.
So
we're making the best of it.
We are.
We've gone to see many monuments.
Many. Well, two so far. And then we saw the pub crawl.
And we joined it for a little bit.
Pub crawl because
that's what we do.
Which is kind of
No, really,
all on its own.
we got in for free because Dimitri
Loves us.
knows us and loves us.
Because we're regulars.
We're regulars. Happy, sexy times.
Always.
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 So yeah, it's our last night.
Last night in Rome, not last night together.
Never.
We'll be together again.
We will, and we'll be together again in Rome.
Someday.
Someday. Over the rainbow. Sooner rather than later. We're walking down this alley.
Kind of sketch.
It's a little bit sketch. We're on our way to the Pantheon, but look how, like, this is Italy right here. This is just beauteous. These are the fucking cobblestones. Well, I wasn't gonna swear in this video. I'm not even drunk. But whatever, these cobblestones destroyed my shoes. And
All shoes, no matter what kind.
All shoes. Me and my parents ate here.
Yummy.
Yes, it is
The
very
bar
good.
that looks cool.
That's the bar that looks cool, but we never went to.
Never made it.
Never made it, and
And I'm dropping my cone on the ground.
yeah, me and Tiffany had our last gelatos.
I had my last with them.
She had her last with us.
Yes.
I have to repeat everything you say in case they don't understand what you're saying.
Obviously.
And
We gotta take precautions here.
there's some Italian style.
It's actually a cute dress.
It is very cute. And I don't know what else to say.
We'll get back to you
We'll
later
get back to you.
when we have more to
This
talk
is
about.
number one.
After we see more monuments.